Imagine trying to plan a trip, right? You're digging through websites, comparing hotels, checking dates. It's a lot. What if an AI could, actually do all that for you autonomously? Today, we're diving into OpenAI's brand new ChatGPT Agent. It just launched July 17th, 2025. And this isn't just another update. It feels like a really foundational shift. So our mission here is to unpack what this thing can do, and maybe more importantly, what it means for AI startups, especially those already in this space. If you're trying to stay ahead on AI, yeah, you're definitely in the right place. Okay, so we've all used classic ChatGPT. We get that. But this agent thing, it sounds different. What's the core change? Like, what is it really? Is it just a smarter chatbot?
No, it's quite a bit more than that. What's really key here is that ChatGPT Agent is OpenAI's most advanced autonomous AI system. It's designed to actually, get things done.
And then things gonna happen.
Well, the main distinction is it can plan and then execute pretty complex multi-step tasks. It actively uses real tools like a web browser, a code interpreter, even its own file system. It interacts with websites almost like a person would through a simulated OS.
A simulated OS, okay.
Yeah, so it can do things like synthesize research, create documents, build spreadsheets, and importantly, it always asks for approval before doing anything irreversible, like spending money.
Ah, okay. The approval step is key.
Absolutely. And it bundles up some of their powerful internal tools we've heard whispers about, like deep research for web searching and operator for task execution. Now it's all in one active interface.
That sounds seriously powerful. Can you give us a concrete example, something that shows off that autonomy?
Sure. Let's take your trip planning idea. Say you want the absolute cheapest 5-star hotel near Yosemite, but it must have a heated pool for specific dates, maybe August 20th to the 22nd, and then you want it booked.
Right, a typical tricky travel request.
Exactly. You just tell the agent that. It then goes off and does the whole thing, uses live browsing to find options, reasons through them to meet all your criteria, the price, the stars, the pool, the dates, and then it comes back to you.
And asks before booking.
Precisely. It prompts you. Here's the best option I found. Meets all criteria, shall I book it? It manages that entire chain from request to action independently.
That hotel example really brings it home. Okay, but this feels like more than just a cool feature update, doesn't it? Why is this a genuine turning point?
Yeah, it really is significant. I mean, this is the first mass market and user deployable autonomous AI assistant we've seen. It works across real tools, it operates on its own, and handles complex reasoning and action, and crucially, it's right inside a product that, over 100 million people already use?
Wow, that scale is huge.
It is. This isn't just theory anymore. It's like the beginning of having a digital coworker for knowledge work. It moves AI from just talking to actually doing at a massive scale.
A digital coworker. That's a big concept.
Yeah.
So let's pivot then. What does this mean for all the AI startups out there, especially the ones building agentic AI? The landscape just shifted, right, dramatically.
Oh, absolutely. If you connect this to the bigger picture, the competitive bar just shot way up for startups building, let's say, generic agents.
How so?
Well, they're now competing directly with OpenAI's model advantage.
Yep.
GPT-03 is powerful, plus its native agentic OS, that system letting the agent interact with tools and the web, and its massive user base. Any startup offering just a thin ChatGPT plus X layer now has to really justify why a user needs them instead of just using the agent directly in ChatGPT.
So generic is tough. But there's still room.
Definitely. The opportunity shifts, I think, to vertical depth.
Yeah.
Specialized agents, those are still very viable. Think about a legal agent specifically trained for contract review, or a healthcare agent that just handles prior authorization submissions super efficiently. Finance agents for FP&A automation, DevOps agents debugging CI/CD pipelines, sales agents cleaning up CRM data.
So domain knowledge is the key differentiator.
Exactly. Domain knowledge and deep system integration within those specific industries. That's where startups can build a real moat.
Okay. What else? Any other impacts?
Yeah, another big area is infrastructure. Startups building the picks and shovels, the AWS layer for agents, they're likely to see a surge in demand. We're talking about things like better orchestration frameworks, tools like LangGraph, AutoGen, Crew AI that help manage complex agent workflows. Also, memory and context management systems, tools for explainability and audit logs, super important for autonomous systems. Secure sandboxing, robust evaluation tools, all that foundational stuff.
Right, the enabling tech.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
And maybe the smartest strategy for many is to build with, not against, OpenAI. You could build a SaaS product that wraps ChatGPT Agent for a very specific workflow. or build custom GPTs that use your own proprietary tools and data, or even use the agent as an invisible backend, focusing your effort on a unique user experience, distribution, and locking in customers.
Interesting. Using it as a component.
Mm-hmm. And finally, there's still a huge frontier beyond what OpenAI just released. Their agent is, for now, solo and sequential, one step after another. So there's loads of room for innovation in multi-agent systems. Imagine a team of agents, a planner, a researcher, a coder, maybe a critic, all collaborating. Or real-time agents that react instantly, agents that actually learn and adapt over time, and entirely new user experiences designed from the ground up for interacting with agents. That's still wide open.
Okay, so the big takeaway seems to be mass market autonomous agents are here. The game has changed. It's pushing innovation towards that deep specialization, the crucial infrastructure, and completely new ways of interacting with AI. Really transformative moment.
It really is. And this raises, I think, an important question for everyone listening. How will you leverage this or adapt to this new era of autonomous digital coworkers? What new possibilities does this actually open up? Not just for work, but for software itself.
That's definitely something to think about, a lot to mull over. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.